Hello everyone, I am Jaya Sood from Hansraj Model School. I am a MIE expert from the last 3 years. I am a master trainer as well. I'm more certified.
Charu Chabra from Kamla Nehru Public School, Phagwara. MIE expert, MO certified, MT certified. Thank you.
Taruna Mongia from Indraprastha International School, MIE expert from last 5 years, MCE and MOS certified.
I am Ramesh, Panchayat Union Primary School, Karanila, Tamil Nadu. I am also MI expert, MI trainer from 2018. Always using Microsoft tools in our classroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Jasmeet Kaur Janeja from Satpal Mittal School, Ludhiana. I am MIE expert since last 4 years and MCE certified. It's nice to be on this platform.
In this pandemic, setting and achieving goals for learning is challenging for both teachers and schools. But as our PM said, find the opportunity in a challenge. We teachers are working our level best to morph this hurdle into a learning process. Today's learner wants personalization, not automation. Students want to be creative and believe they learn more when they have greater voice and choice. The NEP 2020 emphasizes on making practical knowledge and vocational learning the prime focus. Art integration, future-ready skills, SDGs are the key points that are taken into consideration for our e-lunchbox, an integrated and collaborative teaching learning initiative. In a single day, schools were ready to change over from offline to online mode and consistently ensure providing all opportunities for students' well-being and engagement during remote learning, ranging from notes, classroom interactions, activities, and assessments. Then, why not have a virtual recess period too for the fun, gaming, and learning? This is in accordance to our technology-driven age, and this is exactly the kind of model we need to deal with our generation.
The role of teachers is amplified. Learning becomes fun and long-lasting when learners are a part of teaching learning process. The love for online gaming cannot be denied for today's learner. Gamification in education helps learners to understand the concept learned in a better way as they put them to creative and engaging Minecraft games. It is a wise decision to channelize their passion and creativity with a blend of learning skills for their own development. Our team of MI experts, Taruna Mongia, Jaya Sood, Charu Chabra, Ramesh and Jasmeet Juneja, collaborated across 5 schools with approximately 300 students from grade 1 to 12 to implement this innovative game-based learning project with Minecraft.
Recess period or lunch break is the time where we can actually work on the holistic development of our students. Recess makes kids smarter. Well said by Carly Edmonds. As we all know, the recess period is important even in online mode as well, as it serves as a necessary break from the rigorous of concentrated academic challenges in the classroom. It also offers cognitive, social and emotional benefits. It serves as an important tool in the overall development of a child. They can learn various new things. They can learn to be independent as they are not supervised by their teachers like in a classroom. So keeping the online mode scenario and NEP guidelines where art integration is now an integral part of all activities. Here we present our e-lunch box with an amazing learning menu where each day is dedicated to innovation, fun and learning that leads to the correct blend of technology and value-based learning. Our e-lunch box is a learning taste ride for culinary symphonies of 21st century skills, including collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, cultural diversity, real-world problem solving, and enhanced skilled communication.
Marvelous Monday is the day for creativity. Students from all schools put their creative skills to create amazing Minecraft sisters.
Hello everyone, welcome to our world of beach biome. We have designed an eco-friendly beach for turtles, other aquatic animals, and human beings together. This COVID-19 pandemic has given us an opportunity to show gratitude towards nature and all beings. Our project mainly focuses on Sustainable Development Goal number 14, that's life below water, that means to protect and conserve underwater.
Terrific Tuesday was dedicated for a communicative snack. Let us watch this lesson rhyme from a grade 2 student.
One, two, three, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again.
Why did you let it go?
Because it bit my finger so.
Which finger did it bite?
Wonderful Wednesday celebrated the cultural diversity of India.
Hello everyone, I am Dhruv Goyal of class 9th from Hansraj Model School, Punjabi Bagh. Through this video, I am trying to showcase different festivals of India in a Minecraft world. The first festival is Lodi. I have depicted it by a bonfire in the middle and people standing around it. I have also planted some crops as it is a harvest festival. I have created a railway network to travel from one festival to another. The next festival portrait is my personal favorite, Holi.
Thoughtful Thursday is to critically think and design the futuristic city. This ecological city is achieved through various means, such as agricultural systems, renewable energy sources, improved public transport, optimal building design, sustainable waste management systems, etc. Minecraft is extensively used in computer-aided design and education.
Fabulous Friday with collaborative platter to celebrate unity and integrity with Republic Day Minecraft world. Students pay their tribute to our soldiers that shows the true emotions of patriotism. Super Saturday to inculcate real-world problem solving with logical pudding through coding by creating amazing quizzes. Students created many quizzes related to various subjects. This quiz named EliMine is based on periodic table.
This collaborative and integrated e-lunch box sensitizes the students through gamification techniques from their kinder years onwards. The interdisciplinary and collaborative activities stimulated the students and encouraged them to work in teams to accomplish the essential futuristic skills.
Unprecedented times, untraversed path, with challenges all around. We collaborated to gamify our classrooms. We collaborated to develop 21st century skills. We collaborated to bring happiness to our virtual classroom. The journey of our game-based learning project with Minecraft was amazingly adventurous. The idea of creative e-lunchbox with a blended mix of coded spicy recipe with icing of 21st century skills was the real hit. It brought energy and excitement among our learners, which was much needed and missing in our remote learning virtual classes.
Thanks to Microsoft for connecting us and empowering us so that we could engage and prepare our learners to be future ready. It was wonderful connecting to each other.